Hi guys, welcome to Devialet. So Devialet is a French company originated and created in 2007. We basically do amplification. That's where we started. So I can show you a bit how the story started and what was our first invention. Devialet has a proprietary technology of amplification that combines all the sophistication of Class A analog amplification and all the Class D amplification to make something very clear, pure, but yet very compact. So we started with amplifier, then we miniaturized the technology into an active speaker with 4 drivers. So the drivers that you can see here are moving a consequent mass of air and enabling the speaker to go down to 14 Hz and up to 27 kHz. So the bandwidth is quite unique in terms of size, and it's one of the best performance to size ratio on the market today. We are very pleased to launch a new product as well, more adapted to integrators, which is called Phantom Reactor Custom. And basically this product is Dante-Enabled, so we have a Dante chip built in, and we have all the connectivity with a Phoenix connector, Euroblock, so you can go in AES or EBU to make pure no latency on the setup and basically make integrators' life easier with a product that has all the technologies that made the brand famous today. So I thank you for your time, and please visit the website www.devialet.com.